Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 12 in my series on the English language. In this video, we are going to look at the conversation that we practiced in video 11. Some words are underlined and some highlighted. They are either new vocabulary words or words and phrases that you are seeing for the first time. I'm going to explain these words and phrases. There are 4 questions in the text and we will see how they work. Let's go to the desk. Let's look at the first sentence. Hello, my name is Tom. I'm the new neighbour. The word neighbour means people who live near me. Neighbours. Neighbour, neighbours. The people who live near me. Sentence 2. Hi Tom, my name is Julian. Welcome to the neighbourhood. You can see that now neighbour has the word hood added to it. Neighbourhood is the place where neighbours live. Usually it is a small area of a town or city. It may have a name of its own. Moving to sentence 4. This is a question. Are you? If it is not a question, we say you are. When it is a question, we turn it round. Are you from around here? No, I am from Scotland. I have a new job. I had to move. I had to move means that I moved from my house to another place because I needed to follow my job. I had to move. The next sentence. I see. What do you do? What do you do? Julian is asking Tom what he does to earn a living. What do you do? I am a lorry driver. And you, Julian, what do you do? That's funny. I'm a bus driver. We both drive for a living. That's a coincidence. Coincidence means when 2 things happen at the same time. By chance. A coincidence. Do you like your job? Once again, a question. You can see the question mark at the end of the line. Do you like your job? Julian is asking Tom if he is happy in his job, if he likes his job. Do you like your job? We will see the grammar of this later on. Yes, the hours are regular and the work is not hard. I have regular hours too, but the traffic is heavy. Driving is tiring. Yes, the traffic is the problem. That's true. That's is simply a contraction of that is. So that you could write That is true. That's true. That is true. This is called a contraction. I hope you found the video helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.